Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Shishir Kumar. I am a spine and joint replacement surgeon with the Metro Group of Hospitals. I have almost 20 years of experience in spine surgery. I was earlier in the army for 24 years and I was the only spine surgeon in the Indian Army. And today, on the occasion of World Spine Day, I would like to talk to you about a few common spine conditions. There's a lot of misconception in the minds of people about spine and spine diseases and a lot of scare too. It is my endeavor today, on the occasion of World Spine Day, to clear these misconceptions about spine. If the patient has severe and abrupt onset pain in the head, neck, or this pain in the head and the neck is radiating down to the arm, which is excruciating and is not relieved by rest or by any painkillers, and this pain prevents the person from sleeping in the night, one should suspect spine problems. Also, if there is tingling and numbness in the arms, then it is likely to be because of some spine problems. If the patient notices sudden change in handwriting or is unable to grasp a glass or is able to hold a fork or a knife or a spoon properly, then also there might be a spine problem. Another common problem with spine is that inability to walk or balance oneself. So this is also because of problems in cervical spine. And if patient has some problem in walking, or if the patient has got some gait abnormality, then the patient should suspect spine problem. Spine problems should also be suspected if there is sudden onset pain in the back, which is not relieved by rest or analgesic or on prolonged rest. If this pain in the back is associated with pain in the leg, like sciatica, or with tingling or numbness in the leg. If this pain in the back is also associated with weakness of the foot, or if there is any problem with you passing urine or stools, then there is likely to be a spine problem. Similarly, if there is some kind of deformity in the back, then it is likely to be a problem of the spine. There is a common misconception with patients and people that if one goes to a doctor with spine problems, he or she will be subjected to surgery. The issue with spine is that most of the problems with spine are basically mechanical, and almost 95% of spine problems can be managed conservatively. That means with some drugs, with some physiotherapy, with exercises, and some kind of heat treatment. And so, just about 5% of patients who have spine problems may require surgery. A spine specialist should be consulted if the person has an acute onset backache, that means sudden onset backache, which is not relieved by rest or by any kind of anti-inflammatory or analgesics. If the person has got a backache which is accompanied by pain in the leg, which is sciatica or shooting pain, then person should seek the help of the spine surgeon. Also, if the patient has some kind of weakness in the legs or has got any kind of problem in passing stools or urine, he should immediately, as an emergency, seek the help of a spine surgeon. Spine surgeon's help should also be sought in older people who have pain in both the legs on walking, which is relieved by sitting down and stooping forward. This pain is classically a bursting pain, which may be accompanied by tingling and numbness, and may also at times be associated with weakness of the legs. So under these circumstances, patients should immediately seek help of a spine surgeon. The message I would like to convey to people on the occasion of World Spine Day is that now, in the past 3 decades, our understanding of spine has improved tremendously. People in the past had to suffer serious deformities and disabilities because of non-intervention in the field of spine surgery. Now spine surgery has become very safe, have become very comfortable, in that most patients of spine surgery are walking in the evening or the next day and are able to go back home. The common misconception that if you undergo spine surgery, in physiology you will not be able to walk is absolutely not true. And now patient did not suffer pain in the spine or in the back because of any kind of fear.